Hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a few best social media management tools. So let's get started. So first one is this one, Metricool. This one, you can just go over to it and you can simply tap on to create free account. Then you can also tap onto this pricing section. You can check out the pricings over from here. You can just choose out their annual and monthly subscriptions over here, and then you can easily create a free account. You can sign up with your Google account, your Linktree account, your email very easily. For example, I'm gonna show you with this one, like with the Linktree account, and then you can simply tap continue. After tapping on to continue, you're good to go. You are now logged in. So while it is being logged in, let's head over to the next one. So the next one on our today's video is Buffer, a social media management tool for everyone. You can also tap on to get started now, and you can just get started with it very easily. So as you can see, I'm already logged into it. So they're really a cool website. So here you have to choose like for this one you have to choose that what type of business do you run. For example, which best describes you. For example, here a small business owner, social media manager, internal marketing team, social media agency, or something like that. So for example, I'm going to tap on to create or influencer, then you have to tap continue. So now we are being logged into it. So you have to enter your brand name, your industry, your how many people works on your team. For example, 2 to 4. Now I'm gonna add to the clothing. Let's add something like clothing brand, and then you have to choose your industry. For example, I'm gonna choose it to active wear brand. Then I'm gonna tap continue. So you have to enter those information and then you can use it very easily. So basically this was created by Linktree. How can we help like this? So you have to answer this basic question so that the software makes and show you the best results possible. And there we go, we are now into the interface of it. You have to tap onto these steps, and then here we can see how it looks like. You can create new post ideas over here. You can choose AI ideas, global trends, industry inspo. You can also choose templates and social status if you wish to. For now, I'm going to tap onto AI ideas, then tap onto get instant ideas. Now you have to choose that brand ideas or what type of ideas you want. Trending topics in active or brand, then you can tap onto generate ideas. So this is how you can choose it. Now on the buffer one, like this ones, you can also check it out. You can also set up from here, and here are some new options or features available. You can read them out. So to create or schedule your post, tap on to create your next post. Then you have to just enter image or video, your title, start writing. You can use the AI assistance. You have to customize all these things. You can add it to queue or save as draft. As you can see, I have already connected to my YouTube short preview, so that's why it is not asking to me to connect any social media account. So if you want to connect social media accounts, here you can see you can connect Facebook, you can connect Instagram, you can connect Twitters, you can show more channels, you can connect bunch of social media platforms from over here. You can just tap onto the one, then you can easily connect it using your QR code, your phone number, email address or username, your Facebook ID, your Gmail address, even your Apple account. So now let's go over to the next one, which is Hootsuite. This one you have to tap onto this site. So this one is another great site for social media management. You can tap onto free trial and you can easily use their free trial. So you have to answer these questions over here, and then you have to tap onto this icon. You have to check this icon, then you have to continue. Then you have to tap onto agree and sign up. You can also log in over from here, but if you wish to use the free trial, you have to keep in mind that this site like space.starbucks needs a credit card or debit card to start your free trial. Now let's head over to this one. So before we head over to this one, let me show you how you can use these three. So from here you can connect your social medias on the plan by Linktree. On this one, plan tap plan that, and now you can connect your Instagram account, your Thread account, your Facebook account, LinkedIn account, TikTok account, Pinterest account, or even YouTube account if you wish to. Now from here you have to upload your social media content. You have to tap onto this button, and from there you can easily upload your social media content, or you can create new collection. Even you can just go back to your files, and from files you can drag over your image or videos like your social media contents and just paste it over here, and then you are good to go. Now there you can schedule your post. You can tap on the schedule a post, and from here you just can schedule a post according to your need. You just enter this informations over here and then tap on to create post, and by clicking on this plus icon you can select files from your browser and you can upload contents. So now let's go back and let's check out few offers from last few steps over here. Here you can see you can design a post strategy from here with the help of AI. You can just tap on to design a post strategy, and you can easily design a post strategy over here. For example, travel, weddings, experiments. Now let's head over to buffer. So as I told you, you can create your next post from here very easily, and you can connect your account, but there are some extra options available. For example, this one, you can build your streak from here, like you can post each week to grow your streak, and you can tap on to next. So that is pretty much it, and from here you can manage your channels. As you can see, I just have one channels connected right now. You can disconnect channels if you wish to, and on the Typefully you can so that is pretty much it about all of them. You can log in and use this status view from here, and you can log into Typefully using Twitter or Threads, and then you can just log in and continue using them from here. So there are some reviews of them over here, and then you can tap on to login with Twitter, and then you have to choose up your sign in account. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. So I'm going to continue as this account, and then you're good to go to connect it with your Twitter account very easily. So that's it. As you can see, mine has been connected. Then you are good to go. Now you have to reload this page, and this is it. So as you can see, there might be some glitches. That's why right now it is not showing to logged in here, but this is how you can log in and continue using this social media product management tools, like social media management tools. So let me know in the comment section that which one you are gonna use, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and to the channel. So till then, take care, goodbye, and as always, keep watching our videos, keep supporting us, and we are gonna make new videos for you. So goodbye and see you on to another video.